Hello guys, welcome back to my first video, and today we are going to be playing Natural Disasters. So basically, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get this lit fire cheap merch from me. I made it, very cheap, only 14 Robux. And basically, I'm going to be doing Roblox on this account. And whatever you guys want, if you bought this merch, 14 Robux, if you bought it, comment down below. I will, and I promise, I will give you a shout out. And so basically, you guys could just comment. Let's say you say, play Vehicle Simulator. I'll play Vehicle Simulator. So today, since no one is on my channel yet, because I just started, I am going to be playing this, which is Natural Disasters. I don't know if you guys know what it is. You guys probably do. And that's it. So let's go. And so my friend, Pizza Awesome Man, I think he's in the game. So basically, around this game, there's a disaster, and you need to survive it. So you see, I survived it. Awesomeness 200912. That's my name. That's probably why I named my channel name Awesomeness. Like, why not? Because I'm so awesome. So basically, I'm on the leaderboard. So here's my friend, Pizza Awesome Man, and here's me, Awesomeness 200912. 88 survival, so that's pretty cool. We gotta survive this. And you guys, make sure to cop this lit merch. I'll show you how to get it. It's kind of hard, but it's not that hard at the end of the video. It's very easy. So all you guys that want it, go get it. So so basically it looks like a storm because you see the clouds up here. I probably don't want to go up here because there's a storm. So basically, I should just go right here. Yeah, hi Pizza Awesome Man. Hello. So this is my friend. So he's wearing the Nike. He has his own merch, but he said it's terrible, so don't buy it. You see my face? I'm like, ooh. Okay, so let's see. So it looks like something is happening right now. We got cars flying over here. We got a truck moving. Flash flood. We gotta get up. Why is there a storm then? What? That's so weird. It looks like there's a storm. And I don't get how that's... I want to go up there because you see how not stable that is? So basically you see the water rising over here. It looks pretty lit. It's a situation up here. So you see, oh, that person's doomed. Oh God. Let's see. Oh, I think he died. Okay. It's getting close up. See, I think they're going to fall. Oh, God. When I said they're going to fall, I think we're going to fall. No. Whoa, do you see that? Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh, God. No. Ow. No, I'm dying. Help me. No, I'm underwater. You see my health going down? No. What? Oh! No way! I thought I just died. Look, you see, I have no health. I gotta reset my character. Dude! That is crazy. Okay, guys, we are in our next natural disaster. So, we just need to survive it, basically. I'm gonna go up this tall thing. Let me go up the stairs. I'm a fast stair climber, and oh, God. So, here I go. And so, we're gonna try. It looks like there's gonna be a storm. I don't know if it's gonna be like a flash flood, because last time it was not a storm. Okay, I don't get what's happening really, but let's just jump up these stairs right now. Going third person, and we don't want to fall, or then we're gonna die, and we don't want that. Okay, so basically, let's see what's happening. Blizzard. Okay, so I'm going down. I don't care. I'm going down. We might fall. Oh God, no. I'm just jumping down. Oh God, whoa. Okay, this is dangerous, guys. Hazard. No. No, scary, it's scary. So, and if anyone guys ever want to play with me, I would love to play with you guys, and I would love to accept friend requests by you guys. So, that's all you guys really need to do. I want to go in here because I'm going to die. I gotta get up here. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna say hi to. Okay, say hi to YouTube. I'm filming. Yay! Yeah. Okay, so basically we're still in this house. There's a blizzard. The blizzard is breaking these walls right here. I'm scared, and I won. Oh, dude, I'm in second place. Pretty cool, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Like, what are you doing? Even though I have like 8 subscribers, but this is my first video. It's fine. I didn't even film a video yet. So I can't even believe like how cool this game is. Like, you guys need to play this also. No, guys, I jumped out of the map, and then I didn't get to spawn. I didn't get to spawn on my map. So I'll see you guys next one. Okay, guys, so we are ready for the next map. I have 91 survivals, and the first place is the person has 108. So let's go right now. Let's go up this tall thing. It doesn't seem like there's a storm. I don't really see anything. Maybe a tsunami. Okay, guys, we're on the next one, and I think this is gonna be a storm because it looks like just clouds. So maybe a storm. I'm not gonna go. There's a way to actually go on top. Yeah, it sounds like it's a storm. There's a way to go on top. I'm not going there because it seems like something is gonna happen. So go here. I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna go upstairs because I want to see what happens. Like, and buy this Lit Fire merch. I know I said that like 5 million times, but subscribe and like the video, share it, subscribe, like it. Blizzard. Okay. Well, how did all the walls turn to snow in literally 1 second? Okay, I'm teacher. Sit down, students. Oh, I don't even know how we spelled it. Okay, who cares? I'm just wearing this Lit Fire merch. I'm a fool for you. What? Okay, so we gotta survive this. These seem like easy ones, and now I'm probably gonna die because I jinxed it. So let's hope we survive, guys. Let's just hope. Let's pray. Okay, that's scary. Oh, pizza! Pizza, hi. Hi, pizza. Hi. The CV comments back. He's my friend, so like, you know. Let's see what he says. Okay. I'm going down. What up? What up? What up, pizza? If you're watching this video, you might be. But if you haven't subscribed, I don't get what you're doing. Oh God, you see my health? Dude, my health is low. I'm teacher. Move. I'm teacher. I'm teamer. Wow. Okay, I survived. That's pretty good. I gotta reset because you guys know, like, you see my health. So one more round. See, guys, I have 92 survivals. Okay, guys, it seems like a storm again. So, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna go on this. I think I'm gonna go on this. Cause like, oh whoa, I'm in the hay. No one can find me here. Waha! Dude, this person's wearing the merch. And oh my God, this person's wearing the merch also. Look. Dude, what you doing? She's wearing the merch. Oh my gosh, I gotta follow her. She's wearing the merch. Oh. Okay, JK, no one's wearing the merch, I'm sad. But he's wearing pizza merch. And she has underwear on. Oh God, tornado. Okay, so it's not really, it's like a storm. Oh God, I'm gonna go in its path. It says stay clear. Oh God, my hair fell off. And my arm, and my other arm. Oh God. Okay. Wow, I have no arms. Excuse me, I'm just in here. Excuse me, peoples. I have no arms. You gotta let me go. No, don't die. Pizza, what up, pizza? You have no arms. Well, hi, pizza. Who looks cooler? Oh no, he has no hair now. And I'm stuck in the ground. Oh, so many people have no hair. That person no hair, that person has no hair, that person has no hair. That person has no hair. Oh, it's like the no hair squad. Yeah, it's like the no hair squad. Wow, okay, so this is actually crazy. The no hair squad, let's go. Comment down below, hashtag no hair squad. For the end of the video. And I have no foot. Wow, amazing. Okay, so this is actually crazy. This is really funny. Look, we have no hair, and I have no hair. This feels like a... Where did he come from? A tuxedo on. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to show you how to get my merch. So basically, you guys know, I think you go to Avatar, right here. Just let it load a little. Then you need to go to Get More. Then you search up Lit. Lit. Baller. Shirt. All caps, remember that. Put it on clothing. Then go down 100,000. You could buy that or you just buy my lit merch. 14 Robux. 14. So you go to any price, type in 14. Oh, not 13. 14 because it's 14 and it'll be easier to find. Press go. You go up. You find the lit. Okay, it's not that lit because it's not lit. But, okay, here we go. The baller merch. It might not look as good on a fat person. Okay, that's okay. Not a fat person, but like this kind of people, the more strong. So you guys need to get this. If you do, I'm gonna give you a shout out, no doubt. Hear that? That's me blowing on it because I don't know, just because. So you guys need to just please subscribe, please like the video, please buy this lit merch. Like, what you doing if you don't? And I need you guys to rep the merch also. You guys don't need to actually wear it. If you want to, you could. It would be nice if you do. Even if you buy it and you don't wear it, it's fine. I still give you a shout out. So thank you guys for joining into this video and staying this long. And I'll see you in another great video. Peace out.